We're going to slow it down a little bit one more time. Take you back with the Duprees once again. 1962. Song called Have You Heard? Especially for Fuzzy. She'd sail through as she found someone new. Have you seen the way she looks now? Does she act the same when she hears my name? Does she say who's to blame? My arms are empty, my nights are long and lonely. I miss her so, miss her so. Each new tomorrow can only bring me sorrow. I love her so. Rumors come and go. Still I'd like to know if it's true. Won't you tell me? Have you heard? Have you heard of their wedding day? Rumors come and go, but I'd like to know if it's true. Won't you tell me?